Hey guys, welcome back to Camp's Toy Box. Today we're going to be opening chocolate surprise eggs and Mashem and Fashem surprises. Our first chocolate surprise egg comes from the Pooh Crew from Choco Treasure. Here's the flyer. You can get one of these awesome figures. They also are called finger puppets. Or you could get these awesome table skaters, air disc launchers, wearable buttons, or a memory card game. Oh, we got one of the little finger puppets. Look how super cute that is. We got a little chick. Let's see what her name is. Her name is Bird Pooh, of course, and she's a common one. They also come in rare and super rare. And our next chocolate egg comes from Barbie. Here's the flyer. Looks like you can collect either little dolls, maybe some jewelry, or some hair pieces. And we got a beautiful Barbie doll. Look at all that beautiful pink hair. And she's got super pretty butterflies all down her dress. Our next egg comes from PJ Masks, and again from Choco Treasure. Take a quick look at the flyer. Lots of different treasures to collect, including figurines, ooh, glow-in-the-dark figurines, wearable buttons, and again, a memory card game. And I think we got one of the glow-in-the-dark figurines. It looks like a glow-in-the-dark owlette. She looks awesome. Let's see how she glows. Whoa, that's pretty cool. And our next egg is from Kinder Surprise. It is a Cartoons Kinder egg. Got that delicious Kinder milk chocolate. Oh, lots of pieces. Let's check out the flyer. That's cool. Looks like a dragon. Look at this dragon. He is super cool. He's a little finger puppet. It's a little too small to fit on my finger, but when you wear it and you bend your finger, the wings go up and down like he's flying. And our last egg is another Choco Treasure, but this time from Shopkins. Look at the flyer. Lots of different toys to collect in these ones. You can get any one of these awesome Shopkins figures, or you could even get slap bracelets, a 3D puzzle, collectible wearable buttons, a memory card game, or even some magnets. And we got one of the figures. This is Big Topping from the Petkins. Now it's time to check out our Mashem and Fashem surprises. Our first one is a Mashem surprise from PJ Masks, Series 1. And we got Catboy. He's super awesome and, of course, super squishy. He's also super stretchy. Our next one is from Paw Patrol. This is the Super Pups edition from Series 3. And we got the awesome Rocky. Check him out in his green mask. He's also super squishy. Not so much stretchy, though. Our next one is from SpongeBob SquarePants. This is the Memes edition from Series 1, and it's another glow-in-the-dark toy. And we got SpongeBob SquarePants. He has fangs. He's really, really squishy, pretty stretchy, but he also glows in the dark. Only his eyes glow in the dark. They look really funny when you squish them. And next is a Mashem surprise from Incredibles 2, the movie. 6 different characters to collect, and there's a mystery color-changing one. We didn't get the mystery one, we got Frozone. He's super awesome and super squishy and a little stretchy. Our last one comes from Fashems. It's a My Little Pony surprise from Series 9. There's a mystery sparkly character to try to find. And we got DJ Pon 3. He looks super awesome. He has a musical note as a cutie mark. He's a little bit squishy and really not very stretchy. Alright guys, that's it for today's surprises. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and checking them all out. Be sure to come back. Don't forget to subscribe for lots more toys and surprises every single day here on Cam's Toy Box. Bye!